Hey, welcome back to part 3. Don't know why my camera just cut out on me or something like that. I'm guessing now this might be a 4-part video. Don't know why, but lately my camera's just been cutting out on me. So videos that should be like 2 parts or maybe 3 parts are now 2 parts, and videos that should be 2 parts or 3 parts. And now this video, I have a feeling it's going to be a 4-part because my camera doesn't want to work today. Bad camera, bad camera. You work for me. Yeah, I gotta have some jokes in there. But yeah, Fenrir. I like how the little character in here, which I'm trying to get to show up on camera. Guess that's as good as we're gonna get. Kind of well sense a little face with, and the, I guess you could kind of say almost like a dragon's mouth, dragon's head, and when the mouth opens up, it kind of forms the letter F. Now the F is actually backwards. The F is facing this way when we all know the F should be facing this way. Because if you look in the alphabet, like let's say for example here, as in the name Fenrir, you see how the F is facing? Well, take that and reverse it and flip it the other way. That's how they kind of made it on here, which is kind of stupid, actually. Like, why would you have the F be facing this way when in the alphabet, and even as it's spelled here in the name, it's facing, the white way. Yeah, but that's how I decided to do it. Another thing that I find stupid is, the god chips cannot be removed. Now this does have some rubber on here, but not enough rubber. I mean, really the contact points are going to be this big plastic piece there. And when it does come in contact with this, it's not really that much rubber, because if we lay it down here, you can see there's actually more plastic on the bottom and cutaway space than there is actually rubber to make contact. So yeah, there is 3 little heads. Actually, they don't really give a good description of what these are. I'm presuming that they are dragons, but yeah. And then inside the middle, that's kind of around the god ship, as we would call it here, or semi-god ship. There's actually little claws in there, which is pretty cool. And I know everyone's looking for this. The QR code, let's see if I can get to. There we go. A little hard to show on camera because it's yellow and it's a translucent yellow, so you got all that light bouncing off and reflecting on it. That the camera's like, wow, you're blinding me. I need to put shades on the camera lens. So yeah, hopefully you could see this and scan it into your app. Because I know this one I'm looking behind the camera and it's kind of hard to get the scan in there. But yeah. Also, something that's unique about this one, if you look at the bottom of this energy layer, they actually did put the bottom of the mouth on. So the mouth is not just on the top of these little I'm assuming that they're dragon heads. They're not just on the top, but the mouth is actually on the bottom here. There we go, we can see it better. See the little teeth down there and up there? Which is actually really neat and cool. Then our forged disc here is called 7. Because it's represented by the number 7. And another cool fact about 7 is, if you look here on all these little pieces, they are actually 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 on this side, 5, 6, 7, and 3 on this side. 4 on this side, 3 on this side, 7. That's why it has the number 7. And people are saying that these actually represent the number 7. So there's 7 sevens, because each one of these are kind of shaped like the number 7. But you know what? I think yes, they're white. These kind of look like the number 7, but they also kind of look like the scythe that Doomsizer here in America, or the Death Cipher in Japan has. And if you look at Killer Death Cipher, which they call it, I think they still call it Killer Doomsizer here in America, on its God-Bay version, it kind of has like a little cipher on it. I mean, Doomsizer always has cipher on it, but I mean that, for its God version, is obviously like right there, point blank. It's a scythe that it's holding. Which these actually kind of look like 7 little scythes, which is pretty freaking awesome. Let me go grab the Doomsizers to show you. Where's my Doomsizer? yeah. There you go. So starting off with the first one. You can't really see it, but that's supposed to be like the little stick that Doomsizer's holding, which wasn't too good in the first one. The second one, you can kind of see it kind of forms out to be a little bit more of a blade there. And then finally, in its final form, yeah, you can definitely tell that is the scythe right there. The big old scythe from Doomsizer, which, if we laid it this way, kind of looks like the scythe just in a reverse direction. So instead of having the blade point down, it's pointing upward. So yeah, I think if they put this on this one, it'll be awesome. Think of it, Doomsizer 7, and then whatever, you know, this you want to give it. Glaive. So let's say you commit a comment, you could say Doomsizer 7 Gabe or Glaive, which, you know, would be pretty freaking awesome, man. I mean, that would be just, yeah, that's what I would do. Of course, you know, I'm not going to do it, but, you know, if I was to do a combo for a namesake, yeah, definitely that. So then let's tear off this, which, wow, this PC or plastic frame is on there actually pretty tightly. You gotta turn it the other way. And I know that some of them, they don't fall off like how that one just fell off. So when you do line them up, make sure that they are fully lined up. You do want to push them. I know the Doomsizer was really tight on there. This one's marked with the letter M, but you can kind of see it a little bit better on camera than that one. And this stands for Meteor. And unfortunately, this one doesn't have any glitter in it. This one had complete glitter in it. And the forged disc is a 2-star. So let me quickly pop this back in. If I could realign this one. There we go. And the driver is Fugo, which I guess that's supposed to be an F on there, which kind of almost looks like a wing design to it. And yeah, it has big old fan blades, as they obviously said. And we didn't take a look at the live ones. So let's put out live one. Here, first one, which is actually pretty cool. I mean, let me get this to be the white facing. This one, there we go. Let's see if the can could. So we kind of have like the big plastic spikes that comes up here, which almost looks rubber, but they're not rubber. Then we have this one, which kind of forms a little bit, but the models are still the same, I guess you could say, between this one. But it has the big W on there, and kind of has like the claws. And this one's kind of like a combination of the two. It has the W for the God ship. It kind of has, you know, these little wavy things here and, you know, here, which you could see here and here. But it also has like some Esther, I don't know, designs here and here, tribal designs I guess you call them. The face has kind of disappeared, which is kind of bad. But then it kind of has the spikes, which mimics more this one a little bit. So yeah. And then, you know, here's be our launcher. So there you go. There's a QR code, which I think came out the best between all 3 QR codes on the camera. You know. Left, right. Still has that little tool in there, which you can only use on Legend Spriggan. Or Legend Splicing, you know. The card told me Hasbro, how you want to be saying it. And as we put them side by side, well, let's get them in the right order. They are exactly the same thing. Now, as we notice here, there's 2 different QR codes, but according to the Beyblade Burst app, it doesn't matter if you scan this one from the web launcher or this one from the gray launcher, silver gray launcher, or let's just call it the tri-code launcher, because, you know, we have gray, we have silver, we have black, while this one just has red and black. So let's just say the red and black and the tri-code launcher. Makes it a little bit easier. Doesn't matter which one of these 2 you scan, it's still going to give you the same launcher in the game, the red one. So if you scan the tri-code one, you're going to get the red one in the game. If you scan the red one, you get the red one. So whichever QR code you scan, you're gonna still be getting this one in the game. It would have been nice if they did a recolored skin for the game, because you know you're spending $30 at Target to get this exclusive set, but you know everything be the same. Because this one has a little bit number code on there. This one doesn't. This one's always starting to show some scratches on there and some swirling from the plastic, while this one's not. This one you can buy by itself for like $10. This one you can only get in the Target set. So yeah. Let's see how these bays spin. Because I think my camera's about to cut out on me, and we might be going to part 4 of this video, which I don't want to do, but apparently my camera's like, yeah, let's do it. Oh, come on. You know what? That's it. I'm not even going to focus anymore, because as soon as I get it perfect, it oversteps the zoom and then starts going blurry again, so yeah. First up is Y1. So actually, the web one seems like there's a little bit less cord in the web one than there is on this tricolor one, which is kind of odd, but yeah. So let's go with the launcher that we came with, which is set to white spin. Which apparently the bay doesn't really want to go in there. So yeah. Excuse me. Actually, let's put